So after Filmora had upgraded to version 12, other creators and I made videos concerning the new cool features, and of course we talked about the upgrade fee that was required, which many of you reacted against.
Sorry.
I have good news for you today. This is Alex Edits, in case you're new. Here you will find video editing tutorials, primarily Filmora tutorials. So, if you like the content, please click the subscribe button to support my channel. So firstly, the first message we gave to you was as follows. Filmora lifetime license holders were to pay the upgrade fee of $29.99. Save those who had purchased their licenses 90 days before the upgrade, which was on December 9, 2022. Of course, some of you agreed and even paid. However, if you've been around with different comments on different platforms like Twitter, you may have noticed a small misunderstanding that caused a lot of confusion and somehow, frustration. Now this is great. Wondershare Filmora couldn't stand seeing its users confused and frustrated and has decided to take full responsibility for that communication issue. Dear Filmora users, regarding the lifetime license upgrade issue, we are determined to make things right. So if the question is how, here is the answer. To that end, we are offering two compensation options to affected Filmora lifetime license holders, those who purchased a license since version 9 and before. Number 1, if you have not yet upgraded to version 12, you are eligible for a free upgrade to the latest version. So get into your Filmora and upgrade it right now. But if you have some challenges, Filmora has given you a 2-week period to have that resolved. Number 2, if you have already paid to upgrade, you can either request a full refund or receive free access to Filmora's effects and plugins for 1 year, valued at $99. We will automatically provide you with free access to Filmora's effects and plugins instead of refunding you. And that is if you have not chosen your compensation option within 1 month. So even if someone doesn't see this video or doesn't check the email for the next month, there is still a compensation option for that person. Cool, right? Here is one more interesting thing. We value your decision to purchase a lifetime license from us and hope to continue being a partner on a creative journey. As a result, we will also offer all affected users a free upgrade in the future, Filmora 13, 14, and so forth. A huge thanks to Filmora team for showing love to their users and carrying the responsibility for resolve all the issues, and also a huge thanks to other creators who have been on the platform comforting users in the right way. So you can check out this video to learn more about the cool features of Filmora 12. Thanks for watching.